In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact CMC Markets. Now, the first thing you can do in case you are inside their web trader over here, so the platform, click on your profile icon at the very top left, and then here it says support, so we could click on support over here, and then you can scroll down a bit over here to where you can see their contact. So it's going to be here, there we go, need further support, contact us. You can call them on this number over here, so here are the opening hours, and then here you can see the email. So we could also email them to this email over here if you have any queries or questions. Now, if you can see this side panel, you can also find it on their official website. Down here at the very bottom, it's going to say contact, and there's going to be the same contacts over here too. But if you want live help, you have the option to click on live help over here on the left hand side, and then again you'll be able to see the customer services here, or you could just click on chat now and you can basically chat with the representative right away. Okay, so that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.